In this tutorial, we'll look at how to customize Raw PHP. Raw PHP makes use of a very powerful front end called Flat UI. Flat UI has different designs. It's kind of built on top of Bootstrap. If you know Twitter Bootstrap, Bootstrap is getbootstrap.com/components. Getbootstrap.com. So if you've never heard of Bootstrap, it's basically a HTML CSS template that helps you to build beautiful websites easily. So some people came up with this. These are people that worked, two guys that worked at Twitter. They built this, and then see the kind of beautiful interfaces you could build with Bootstrap. Alright, so to learn Bootstrap, you click on components after visiting getbootstrap.com/components. You'll see that it has different icons you can use on your web page. I don't think there is any icon on Raw PHP yet, so but we can start immediately using these icons. For instance, if we wanted to use a glyphicon, let's just choose an icon we want to use, and this is how to use an icon. If I paste this on my code, it will print out the icon that was pasted. So for instance, the icon here is the search. So if we want to use another icon, we'll just simply copy the name, this particular name, glyphicon right menu. As you can see, what is here is glyphicon search. So all these icons have different names. We will go to, let's just add an icon. So we'll go to resources, where we have inside resources we have templates. Inside templates we have navigation. Inside partials we have navigation. So if we go to that navigation, we'll find the sign in. I'm just gonna control sign in. Okay, this is what we're looking for. So we want to add an icon here. So we just paste what we copied there. Glyphicon search. We know search is not the right icon, but if we go and refresh our page, what we will see is that there's already an icon here, as you can see. So one thing we can do is to go look for nice icons here and apply. There are many nice icons here we can find for the right one. But these icons may not just be enough for your own need. If you need more icons, you'll go to Font Awesome/icons. As you can see, Font Awesome IO/icons. And when you get there, you see that there are hundreds of thousands of icons. So many icons in this life. So many icons. So for anyone you want to, that you find okay, if you can't find anyone, you just kind of search for it here. You can just say login. So it finds this one for login. This is an icon for login. So if I click on it, it takes me to this page where I see the code for that particular icon. So I can just copy the code, and then I get back to my code and paste it. So I'm just going to remove that of Bootstrap and paste this one. But this is not enough to get the icon to appear. If you're using Font Awesome, you have to have access to their SDK as well. So you need to sign up, and they will send you an email containing your SDK. To do that, you just click on Get Started, and you enter your email address here. And once you have the email address, you send me the embed code. They're going to send you an email that has a code that you paste in your app. So we have this code. I'm not going to show my email. I'm just going to pause it here, then copy the code and show you. So this is it inside my inbox, and here's the code they sent me. I'm just going to copy it, and guess where I'll paste it? At the top of my app. So if I go to the resources, views, and templates, I'll see app.twig. So inside app.twig, I can paste it at the top here. So this loads fonts, all the fonts from their server, and with it I can start using Font Awesome. So if I go back to make sure you're online, you know this loads from the internet. So if you're not online, fonts will not appear on your app. Alright, Otherwise, you can download it directly, just visit it, paste it on your browser, copy it and start using. Alright, so if you want to have this locally, you can just copy it and paste on your browser, copy the code and start using it locally. So what we have here is we refresh, and we have the icon here, as you can see. So what we can do is go back to our navigation. There we are back in our navigation, and we're looking for sign in. There's a space that needs to be added. As you can see, it's very close to the sign in button. We just put a single space, we refresh, and that's it. So Raw PHP comes default with Font Awesome already installed. So the process I just did, you don't need to do it, except your own version of Raw PHP doesn't come with Font Awesome. So if you just cloned Raw PHP the way I did, you probably have Font Awesome already installed. All you have to do is just come to Font Awesome, click on icons, and start finding icons that you need and start adding them in your HTML. See you in the next tutorial.